Hello, this is a prototype video about a prototype program I'm creating. I'm a computer science teacher and I teach AP Computer Science Principles. My students have to create a program as a requirement for College Board. Now they can't just create any old boring program, and they can't just create a program that looks good. They have to create a program that's functional, that serves a purpose, that in order to satisfy the very first requirement on the rubric. So as an exemplar for them, I created a program that demonstrates, supposed to show those chaotic minutes in between the last bell of the day and students running for the bus. So the bell rings and students start running down the hallway, and the hallway continues on in an endless loop. There's going to be obstacles in the students' way, such as other students on their cell phones. There's going to be things on the ground, things in the air, doors opening up, teachers in the way. Just a way to make the game exciting. Now, I have to describe all the steps I've taken to create this game. There's been many besides the concept for it. You have to create all the imagery for it, and here is the different scenes for the background of the hallway moving by as it continues in a loop. This is my first crack at an animation of a person running. I had to create the clock for the bell to ring with a minute hand that moves. Here's a person who looks like he's drinking hot chocolate, but it's actually supposed to be a dude on his cell phone. There's been a lot of problems that I've run into, and that's something that I need to address as part of the task, is to identify difficulties in the program. One of them was inherent in that the clock is static, but the face is supposed to move. So I created a separate minute hand and put that on a 360-degree rotation in my code in order for it to run. Another thing is, when I run the code, and this is a bug I have to iron out, if you hit spacebar before the bell rings, then that dude, the obstacle, he shows up right away, which is kind of funny, but that's not the way it's supposed to work. So that's a bug I need to iron out. It's supposed to just be like an endless runner, kind of like Cannonball was my concept for this, except not to the same degree. The creative process is difficult. You have a great idea, but in order to actually get it down, it could be tough. But we have a lot of resources available to us. We have all these computers, kids sitting at the computers, and they all are working towards the same task, which is writing the code that is going to create our game. And once that game is created, we have all the resources available to us. It should look good. As a note, the Double Dutch Bus, the song that's playing for this video, and the song that's in my game, is the song that plays at the end of the day. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video, and here's my excellent outro.